Hello guys, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and today this video I will show you how to use the scanner app from the manager's point of view. First of all, manager should to open the link app.boomerangmecards/scanner app and fill in received credentials to log in. Right after installation on the home screen, this application will work like standalone and native application, but still works through the web browser like a WebView version. And so, here is it. We are into the scanner application, already authorized like a test manager with the testmanager123@gmail.com email address like a login and the phone number. So we have a quick review around the scanner application. We have a main big button scan. It's a main functionality for the scanner application where we can scan the customer cards barcode and make accruals or spendings from the customer cards. And also, if we don't want to scan or we want to make accruals remotely, we can fill in the card serial number here. So, a quick view around the application. Home screen, this is the scanner screen. Next one, it's a settings. We can turn on the beep. It's like a sounding when scanner scan the card. Show results, it's like a hover notification with the card serial number. We can automatically copy card serial number to the clipboard after the scanning, and the debug mode shows errors into the scanner application. I recommend to turn off this message. So the next one, if you have questions by the application or if your managers have, they can open the support and ask our team about anything about the scanner application anytime, and log out, of course, from the application.